Hey guys, welcome to or back to my channel. So today, as you can see by the title, I am going to be demoing and reviewing this headband wig. It's really a half wig because it didn't come with a headband, but I'm going to be reviewing this half wig. And on my last video, which was my Opali try on haul, a lot of you guys want to know about this wig. So this is going to be the video where I show y'all all the details, all the information. I'll have everything linked down below. Also, huge shout out to Nadula hair for sponsoring this video. Just because this video is sponsored does not mean I don't give my real opinions, and y'all will see at the end of this video, so make sure you stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment your opinions, your thoughts, suggestions, and I'm gonna stop talking and get straight into the video. Hey guys, this is the kinky curly half wig from Nadula. I got it in 24 inches, and a couple things to mention about the wig. So on the first day I got it, I washed and conditioned it and brushed it out. It shed a little bit. I'll have pictures inserted, or one picture. The smell, it didn't really have a smell, it just kind of smelled like heat to me. And other than that, it was really soft after washing it. The curls were really nice, but yeah, that's it. For the first day, it looked really good, and I'll update you guys later on in the video. Okay, so I wanted to do a voiceover of the process of applying the wig, just because the talking portion was not that good. And also, I blurred out my armpits because I forgot to shave, so I didn't want y'all to see. But so okay, you put your hair in a ponytail, or you can put your hair in braids. It's your choice. Just make it as flat as possible. And the wig did come with a wig cap and like 2 scarves, if I remember correctly. So you just put the wig cap on, and then the wig has 2 clips, so you clip one in the back, one in the front. The most this will take you is like 30 seconds. It's super easy. I will say for my hair in the front, the clip was a little bit like rough, I guess, because my hair is so thin, but other than that, super comfortable, super easy. The headband I'm going to be doing is actually a scarf, so I ordered some scarves from Amazon. I'll link them down below. This wig is also, these type of wigs are good for the gym, so if you want to like put it in a ponytail or a bun, and you can use like a working out headband, which I actually have one, so give me a sec. I have one right here. It has extremely like super grip hold, so your wig is not gonna go anywhere. This one is from Star Taki Life. I will link her Instagram down below, but this is really supposed to help your edges too from not sweating when you work out, so it's perfect. When I'm at the gym, I feel like everyone's staring at me, so this type of wig would be perfect, so you don't have to actually do your hair. Like, you can just throw it on and throw this on and you'll be good to go. So I'm just gonna show y'all. Like this, in a little low bun, you're good to go. And I'll show y'all. On me, the wig is down to my butt. So yeah, it's very long on me, but yeah, this headband is gonna keep everything intact, like everything, because it like the rubber part. If y'all want one, go get one. Now I'm gonna move on to applying my headband or scarf. So I'm gonna put my hair back. You can use a clip or a ponytail, just get it out the way. And I'm going to fold my scarf and just tie it around the front part of the headband, and I mean of the wig, and that's it. I feel different. I don't know how to feel. Y'all know I don't really like curly hair, but I wanted something that would blend with my hair. So how do y'all feel? I feel like it's a lot. That's just because I'm not used to wigs, but the wig itself is actually so nice and beautiful. I got 22 inches. I forgot to say that. I'm sorry, I'm not a wig reviewer. Let me see if y'all can see the back. It's so pretty. Like, it actually is really beautiful. I'm sitting on the floor in my room right now, like in front of my backdrop, and I just finished washing and conditioning and letting this wig dry. It's been about 2 weeks or 1.5 weeks, but I thought that I would give you guys like a 2-week update. My like final thoughts on this wig, since I do have a little bit of stuff to say and I don't have the video finished or edited, so I'm just gonna throw this in at the end. So like I said, I washed it and conditioned it today. The last time I did that was the first time I got the wig, which was like 2 weeks ago, and in between that it's been a lot with this wig. So first time I washed it, it shed. Yeah, it shed like your normal hair would, and for me I feel like, why is this wig shedding so much? Because if it sheds every time I brush through it, obviously there's gonna be nothing left in the end. And I do kind of feel like I can feel it's a little thinner than when I got it. It might look pretty good. And so today I washed it. It was so tangly, y'all. Like, that's the second point I'm gonna make, but right now I'm just gonna say it was so tangly. So I washed it, I put conditioner, and then I had my sister hold it because I don't have a wig head. She held it for me and I brushed through it, and it was like, it was worse than my hair has ever been. I'll show y'all. This is how much hair came out from today. A lot. It was a lot of hairs. Okay, shedding is a problem with this wig for me. So yeah, like I said, I don't know if it's because I never had a wig, but I basically treated this wig like I treat my normal hair. I don't sleep in it. I sleep with my normal hair, but I didn't sleep in this wig. I don't know, I just wore it. Like, I didn't really mess with it when I wore it. Every time I wore the wig, I would have to wet it and put product in it, and then by the end of the day it was so dry. And when it gets dry, I guess it tangles and mats up like really easily. Every time I wore it, I would have to like try to comb through it or just put a bunch of water in it, and it just, yeah, I don't want to just like on the wig. Like, it looks so cute. If you want to just buy this wig and kind of deal with those issues just to have it for pictures, or like, because it does look good, and when you do detangle and put a lot of product in it, like, it feels soft. It's just like quickly reverts back to being dry. That's just what my experience with it. Like I said, it could just be me, but I don't really know. So I just wanted to warn y'all about that, because I mean, if you're gonna be buying a wig, you want it to be a little more manageable than your own hair would be, right? But today I tried to like freshen it up, and I'm gonna come close to y'all, and you can see like it looks soft, it looks shiny. It actually feels soft today. So like, fresh out of being washed, I do like how this wig acts, how it feels, everything. Those are the cons. Shedding, dryness, and tangling were my problems. I put a lot of product in this wig, and for it to be acting how it was acting, I just don't think that should. Like I said, I think it's better for the looks of it, and because it looks so natural, because it is a half wig. I really like the concept of the half wig, because you can see I got my hair in the front, the fake hair in the back, but to somebody who doesn't know that these textures aren't really the same, I mean, kind of, then they're gonna think this is my hair, and for that reason I do like it. Yeah, I'm gonna close out this video. If you guys want to purchase the wig, like I said, it's really cute for pictures, and once you wash it and like detangle it, condition it, it does feel really good. Like I said in my other video, if you can afford it, then get it. If you can't afford it, do not get it. Like, but yeah, if you want it for how it looks, then I 100% recommend it, because I did get some cute pictures in it. And yeah, I'm gonna end this video here. So if you guys did enjoy it and you want me to review any other wigs, I'm trying to stray away from that, because I don't want this to be like a wig review channel, because I've never worn wigs in my life. But if you guys want me to do a couple more, I can. If y'all don't want to see stuff like this, comment that down below, because I'm not gonna do it. And yeah, that's it. So thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna go eat gumbo with my family, and I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day or night, wherever you are, and thank you for watching. Bye.